What is up, guys? It's Marcus Corey back again with another video. And today I'm in a rush because I'm late for a shoot. And yeah, I had to go deliver this stuff to my client from last week's video. I shot a wedding, so I'm gonna give their pictures and frames to them. And yeah, I'll take you for another shoot again. So let's go. Let's see how today's vlog is gonna be like. Meditation class. So right now it's twerking class. You know, that's my favorite. That's what I'm here for. See the girls shake your booty. That's right. Let's go. Yeah, you've seen the video. So I did a chakra with the 7 stars, 7 African powers. I'll put a name underneath. So yeah, I did the chakra. I think next I'm gonna try vegan food for the first time. I don't know how it's gonna taste, but I'm gonna show you guys how that goes. So guys, my food is here, and look at this. I've been trying vegan food before. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it tastes, how I'm gonna feel. Ooh, looks. I don't know what that is, but just put it inside and just see how it goes. So, first time trying vegan food. I don't know what this is, but it tastes good. It tastes good. Oh, good. Not bad. Not bad at all. Actually, no. Yeah, so guys, I just finished eating my vegan food. I wish I could show you my plate, but I put it in the trash. But yeah, it was good. Yeah, so guys, I just got to the mall. How much is this one? This one? 2,600. God damn. I ain't gonna lie, this is what got this stuff, but it's so fucking expensive. It's good. Good for the body. Shit like that. Niggas from America. Honestly, I don't know what you guys were thinking that I was actually gonna go vegan for a month. I can't even do a day, guys. I can't do a day. Alright guys, yeah. I couldn't do it. So I got some fries, got some burger, and I got some iced Coke. Yeah. I can't go vegan for a month, guys. I can't. I can't. I just can't. I'm sorry. For all the vegan lovers, the vegan food lovers, I just can't. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, guys. More content coming soon. Oh, if it tastes good.